The patient's care begins where the patient has their injury.
The skill set that we bring is very much what you would expect in a hospital emergency department. The air ambulance in Wales is a partnership between both the NHS and a charitable organisation, the Wales Air Ambulance. The skill set that we bring is very much what you would expect in a hospital emergency department. We'll go to patients who have had major heart attacks, have had a spontaneous event in the brain, and also severe trauma.
The patient's care begins where the patient has their injury. They essentially take the hospital, certainly the critical care unit, to the patient. So they can provide pretty much everything that we could provide in an emergency unit.
Y sialens mawr sydd dyn ni yn Hywel Dda yw bod yn ardal mor rural yn lle gyntaf. Mae'r wlydd wedi wella dros y blynydde, ond mae dal yn challenge mawr i cael cleifion yn cael eu cludo un man i'r llall yn yr amser fel dylen nhw.
Major trauma networks have been demonstrated clearly within the UK to provide a major survival benefit. South Wales is the only region in the UK without a functioning major trauma network. To be part of this network, we need a trauma unit within the Health Board to allow us to prepare properly to treat moderately or severely injured patients and to accept them back from the major trauma centre at an early stage to facilitate their rehab closer to home.